Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CRF250F trail bike. Electric start, fuel injected, green sticker. This bike is in beautiful shape, brand new rear tire, brand new grips. Come on by, make your off-road mid-weight dirt bike dreams come true for just $49.99. This 250F is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.